Welcome back to a brand new episode of your Not So Daily Show. I'm Kareem Amara.
And I'm Najayna Goma.
After warming up our bodies in last week's episode, I think we're ready to give you the latest headlines.
Texas A&M University in Qatar hosted Nobel laureate Dr. Ben Feringa on October 1st through a virtual seminar. The Joy of Discovery, presented in partnership with the Qatar chapter of the American Chemical Society, was designed to share knowledge with the community in Qatar on topics centered around Qatar's grand challenges and research pursuits.
QF and HBKU announced research and education partnerships with American institutions, including NASA, that will not only include educational connections, but strengthen ties between Qatar and the United States.
Are you having trouble focusing at home? Luckily, NUQ Library is offering students passes while following the safety protocols set by NUQ. So now you can put on these noise-canceling headphones and enjoy studying.
Education City has stopped the distribution of free meals to students living in dorms last week. Students will now have to pay for their own meals at their dining halls or when ordering takeaway.
But don't freak out. Our reporter Rhea Mishra is here to save the day with some easy and delicious recipes you can cook in your own dorm room.
Hello everyone, this is Rhea Singh Mishra and today we'll be cooking. We'll be cooking 3 things. 1. A sandwich, 2. A fruit bowl, and 3. A mug cake. Stay tuned!
So here we have baby leaves mix, baby spinach, onions, bread, mayo, mustard, cucumbers, lemons, tomatoes, cheese spread, sliced cheese, celery, tuna or tuna salad. So first I'm going to cut things that need to be cut, like the cucumber, celery, lemon, onions, and tomatoes. The rest we just put straight out from the packet. Now comes the time to assemble our sandwich. So first we have the bread. And then we put everything we've cut on one side, being the tomatoes, cucumbers, celery, lemon, and onions, with the sliced cheese on top. On the other side goes the spread cheese and then the tuna salad. On top of the tuna salad, we then put the mustard and the mayo. Don't be afraid if things get messy. And now, put the sandwich together. Now we have our fruit bowl. So in our fruit bowl, we have blueberries, raspberries, apples, oranges, kiwis, and grapes. Then we cut everything that needs to be cut, being the apples, kiwi, and the oranges. You can cut it to sizes according as you like. Then I put everything that didn't need to be cut, being the blueberries and the raspberries in the bowl. And then on top, I put in everything that I cut, being the apples, kiwis, and oranges. Now, if you like, you can also make a dressing. So I made a dressing of lemon and honey that I then drizzled on top of the fruit bowl to add some flavor. Now on to my personal favorite, the chocolate mug cake. So for the ingredients, we have sugar, baking soda, flour, salt. As you can see, I took a few packets of salt from the dining, vanilla extract, cocoa, almond oil, and some water. And obviously we need a mug. So now you take your large microwave safe mug and then put in flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt and mix it. And then stir in the milk, canola oil, water, and vanilla extract. You then cook in the microwave until the cake is done in the middle, so that would be about 1 minute and 45 seconds. Please go for the lowest possible setting, as otherwise the cake might burn in the microwaves, at least the ones in dorms. And now, I love icing, so I made a bit of icing. It's pretty easy. So you just need sugar, butter, vanilla extract, and milk. So first I put in the sugar, then the butter, then the milk, and then the vanilla extract. And then I hand whipped it. That takes a lot of time. So if you have a mixer, then please beat it on medium speed until it's smooth and fluffy. So now here's our cake, and I'm about to put the icing on top. I hope you enjoy. This was my personal favorite.
So there you have it, our 3 items for today. Hope you enjoyed, and let's go back to Kareem and Lojena. Bye!
Thank you, Rhea, for this mouth-watering segment. I'll definitely give your recipes a try when I'm back home.
Yep, and I'll do too, if I manage to make my microwave work.
Well, Kareem, how about you tell us today, who do we have joining us for a segment?
For today's segment, we are joined by Malik Mishennen from Weill Cornell Medicine-Qatar, who will be quizzing us on some basic medical and biological terms. We'll use our extensive knowledge to answer his great questions. Hello, Malik, how's it going?
Hi, Kareem and Lojena. I'm good. How are you?
We're great.
So before we start off, why don't you just tell us a bit about your major and what you really do at Weill Cornell?
So, unlike all the other universities at QF, at WCMQ there is no major. Once you enter, you do medicine for 6 years and you're out.
That's very interesting. I didn't know that. That's a lot of years. Okay. I think we're ready to start off.
Let's go.
All right. So I scoured the internet and my own brain to look for some good questions, and I think we should start off with a warm-up.
Sure.
So are you guys ready?
Yes, we're ready.
I've been ready.
So, Timmy has 5 apples. Johnny eats 3 of the apples. How many apples does Timmy have left?
Okay, do we show it on our whiteboards?
Write it down. Take your time. Don't cheat.
Oh, wait. Okay, I'm ready.
3,
2, 1. The answer is 2. 2 apples. Perfect.
Yay!
Yeah.
Now, I just have a question. When was the last time any of you took biology or anything science
My
related?
senior year of high school. I did 8 levels biology.
I never took biology in IB.
Okay.
So I was more of like, English, film, I never really bothered taking the sciences.
All right.
Okay.
So next question. This is the first real question. So get ready.
Focus.
What is the powerhouse of the cell?
Oh God.
That's so easy.
We'll see about that.
Okay, I'm ready.
This one I won't consider spelling.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm
Are
ready.
both of you ready?
Yes.
Show me the answer.
The mitochondria.
The mitochondria.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of
mitochondria.
the cell. And he did a little.
So did I
drawing
get
for
that?
you.
Did I get that point?
I'll give it to you.
Thank you.
I
I
think
don't
we all knew
think
what you
you
were
should
talking
get the
about.
point.
I knew it.
All right.
Okay.
Next question. What is the chemical formula of water?
Oh.
Oh, that's so easy. Oh, that's so easy.
I wouldn't
Okay.
start flexing too early.
3, 2, 1.
The answer.
H2O.
Correct.
H2O.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay, I'm actually good at
I'm
this.
starting to
Why am I here? Why am I at NUQ? Why am
Yeah.
I not in?
Please join us.
Yeah,
We'd
I
love to have
should.
You. You really
It doesn't
should.
really make
All
any
right.
sense, but
Next question. How many chromosomes do humans have?
Oh my God, I know this. No.
oh my
No.
God, I know
It says they know.
Okay,
Relax,
okay.
relax.
Wait.
Just write down the answer.
Okay.
Just give me a sec.
It's a number.
This is-
Listen, it's a number.
It's
You
just
have
a number?
from 1 to
Okay.
a million.
Okay.
I hope I remember this. I don't know. Oh
Okay.
my
I'm
God.
ready. I'm ready.
Are you
3.
both ready?
2, 1.
Does that say 128?
Yeah.
That's wrong, but 46 is the correct answer.
Yay! It's 23 pairs, so 46.
22. Yep. Very good. 23 pairs, 46 in total. All right.
Yay. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna
46.
tune it up a bit. All right. I know Kareem just got that one wrong, but I feel like he's gonna get the next one right. High blood pressure is also known as what? So what's the medical term for high blood pressure?
Wait.
Oh, okay. I got this.
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Disease. I know it. Yeah.
I'm very excited to see what he writes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Diabetes.
Hypertension? No, not diabetes. Diabetes is something completely different.
Is it hypertension?
You said diseases.
I said if you have high blood pressure, you have this disease.
Kareem,
You have hypertension.
diabetes has to do with blood sugar.
That's
Oh.
correct. Diabetes is about blood sugar.
So it is hypertension.
It is hypertension, yes. Rogena's on a roll. Kareem,
Not so
we don't-
much.
maybe we don't want you at Cornell. Never mind. Okay.
Okay, next.
All right, but what is the main symptom of cholera? So cholera is a bacteria. People sometimes they ingest it,
Yes.
not on purpose. What is
Cholera.
the main symptom of cholera?
I know what it is. I
Kareem
got
seems
it.
like he knows.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Fever.
Is it diarrhea?
Wrong. It is diarrhea. Not matter of fact,
I can't get one right.
what kills a lot of people is the diarrhea.
diarrhea,
Basically,
Really?
you
yeah,
end
yeah.
up
That's quite
flushing your whole
interesting.
body of fluids. You
Uh-huh.
get dehydrated and you die, especially in children.
Oh my god, that's scary.
Next question.
Okay.
Okay. At what age should someone get their first colonoscopy?
What's a
What?
Okay, can you explain
What's a colonoscopy? Great question.
That's a great, yeah,
Basically, a
exactly.
colonoscopy is where you go to the doctor.
Yeah.
Okay? You tell the doctor, hey, I want to get a colonoscopy. Doctor says,
Again,
okay,
what is that?
come-
Yeah.
I'm telling you. You go to the doctor. You say, hey, I'm this many years old, which is the answer to the question. You say, I think it's time for my first colonoscopy. The doctor says, great idea, because this is the perfect age to get your first colonoscopy. So the doctor sends you home with this big jug of laxatives. Do you know what a laxative is?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's the thing that
yes.
makes you poop.
A lot. Makes
Yeah,
you poop a lot.
yeah.
Okay?
Yeah,
He says,
okay.
go home, eat laxative only, because
Oh.
you need to empty your colon. You know what
I
the colon
hope I'm
does?
not at that age.
Okay.
Colon makes poop.
I know.
okay? So,
Yeah, yeah.
I think I know what age this is.
so
Okay.
2 days later, you come back after flushing your system, and the doctor says, all right, it's time for your colonoscopy.
I think I know
So
what the
at
age
what
is.
age should someone get their first colonoscopy?
Okay,
And you have a range, 5 above, 5
no.
below.
Okay.
Why are you
3,
looking at my
Alright.
answer?
2, 1.
Does that say 25?
Yeah.
60 to 65? The answer is 50 years old.
He's closer. I'll give him that.
Okay,
He's
okay.
Closer.
No, but it's still really 50.
Okay, that's good.
Sorry,
So,
I'm going to
I
have to
still
charge
a
you for
long
your first
time.
colonoscopy, Kareem.
Yes. So when I turn 50, I'll call you up.
You have to pay though, cause
I'm ready.
Okay. So what's the score?
It's Lojana with a lot to Kareem with
2.
almost nothing. 2? Okay, fine, 2.
Okay, got it. All right. Well, it was a pleasure having you, Medic. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much.
I learned a lot today, actually.
We had so much fun.
Yeah, actually, it was great. But I know for sure that I'm never gonna, join medicine
Yeah.
unless, or colonoscopy.
You save lives.
Yeah.
You are doing
You are.
great
You
things.
guys,
very proud
without
of
doctors, where would we be right now? Thank you for joining us today on the Not So Daily Show. We learned a lot today from Medic and today's episode. We hope you did too.
We hope you come back for more interactive content and let us know what you want to see next. And have a great fall break, you guys. See you next
Till
time.
next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Guys, I got only 2 points. 3 points.